also feel like you're in a consuming race of low-quality, disposable products? Our mission at TIGA is simple. It's to help mothers raise their children in an eco-friendly environment with unique and sustainable bamboo products. Why mothers? Because you are the heart of the family. We want to help you in your journey to design the world for your loved ones by welcoming only valuable products to your door. Representing TIGA Cable Management Box, an eco-friendly, handmade product made from 100% natural bamboo. This stylish organizer hides power strips and keeps cords untangled, preventing any cord-related injuries from your loved ones. Additionally, the magnetic lid was designed for safety and security, keeping all the cables uniform and tidy. This keeps children and pets safe from the dangers of exposed cables. The modern, eye-catching design comes in 4 different colors that complement any decor. The flushed top surface is ideal to place devices on, and it can be hung on the wall horizontally or vertically using the 4 holes on the bottom surface. The TIGA Cable Management Box is also sleek and spacious, ideal for most power strips in the market. Each order is well packaged in recycled packaging and includes cord clips to keep your cables arranged, which makes organizing much easier. There's nothing quite as stylish, practical, nor better for the environment. So sit back and relax in your cordless clean space with TIGA Cable Management Box.
Power up your life.